Your skin will drink in goodness to become healthier with this serum. Our clients asked us for an advanced serum that can do it all. And we delivered. This serum is creamy and can be used as your day and night cream, or as a serum. It will, 1. Restore skin's moisture balance and hydration. 2. Reduce age spots or hyperpigmentation. 3. Increase elasticity and plumpness. 4. Reduce pore size. 5. Guard against sagging and thinning. 6. Increase skin's effectiveness and functioning. 7. Reduce redness and inflammation. 8. And of course, reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Top quality and tested ingredients. Matrixyl is a peptide found in many Sublime Beauty products. We are a fan simply because it works. It helps boost collagen levels and bring back what is lost through age and time. We lose collagen each year and it is a contributing factor to aging skin. Renovage was formulated in France and is considered by many to be revolutionary because it helps cell life and regeneration. Renovage helps repair, maintenance, and detoxification that can damage or destroy telomeres. Clinical tests of Renovage showed cell resistance to oxidation was up 75% to 100%, skin cell self-defense was up 100%, and cell lifespan was increased with wound healing capacity off the charts. 89% of those in the clinical test reported improved skin in 30 days. Use the Ageless Serum twice daily. Some women like to refresh midday for a third application. Start to look ageless now. Your friends and colleagues will want to know your secret. Full money-back guarantee. Purchase today. Reduce the major signs of aging thanks to Renovage and the Peptide Matrixyl, effective for your skin. Renovage, developed in France, lengthens skin cell life, fights oxidation, reduces wrinkles, reduces age spots, encourages collagen, heals hyperpigmentation, reduces pore size, improves skin quality. High-quality creamy serum absorbs well and combines with day or night creams, or you can use this as your day cream. Clinically tested with superior results for skin improvement, oxidation, smoothness, less wrinkles and pore size reduced. Clinical tests of Renovage registered showed cell resistance to oxidation was up 75% to 100%, skin cell self-defense was up 100%, and cell lifespan was increased with wound healing capacity off the charts. 89% of those in the clinical test reported improved skin in 30 days. Use twice daily as a serum or day cream. You will fall in love with this product and see a difference in your skin to look ageless. No questions asked. 100% customer satisfaction and money-back guarantee from Sublime Beauty on all products. Top customer service a core value of the company. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.